Ever notice how sometimes you buy a bargain even though you don't need it? It's simply a bargain, so you must have it. You're optimizing for a fair price, and your optimizing for that fair price has gone too far. Your optimization has become suboptimal. Or you're commuting to work in the morning, but you're dreading it because there's this constant transformation program, ongoing ways of working change all the time, to the extent that you can't really get a job done anymore. You're just always changing the way you do it and never actually doing it. Again, suboptimal optimization. We get a buzz when we consume, when we buy something, when we make a purchase. We get an even bigger buzz if we get a fair price, and an even bigger buzz if it's a bargain. A company is rewarded for progress, but sometimes reward is confused. In AI models, that boardroom pat on the back or that dopamine hit that we get when we buy something is replaced by reward functions and loss functions. And if the AI model doesn't have someone whispering in its ear, stop, don't buy that bargain, you don't need it, or shareholders shouting, don't transform yourself into the ground, you need to deliver results this quarter, then you're going to get a runaway AI model. It's going to get carried away. It's going to act like an addict. It's going to do whatever it can to get its next hit. Now let's return to the idea of a fair price, or more specifically, the idea of unfairness, because if anything is motivational, it's a sense of unfairness or a sense of injustice. In fact, entire branches of mathematics arrived because of that. A man with a name suspiciously like the word algorithm, Al-Khwarizmi, wrote a book called Algebra. Al-Khwarizmi was born in Persia more than 1,000 years ago. His name is where we get the word algorithm from. And the word algebra means make whole again or restore. When you're solving for x, when you're balancing an equation, that's what you're doing. You're restoring, you're making whole again. And you feel whole again when you get back whatever it is that you're missing, whatever it is you're owed, whatever it is you feel like you lack. What felt unfair now feels fair again. Human existence, the fabric of our reality, is settling scores and keeping various books, balancing them, doing deals. It's buying and selling, giving and taking, producing and consuming and producing. It's ins and it's outs. And what does an algebraic mathematical function do? It takes an input and it produces an output. And what are algorithms made of? Well, they're made of functions.